Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can schedule your Instagram post on your Instagram app. So follow the step. Click on the plus button at the bottom of your screen on your Instagram to create a post first. So I will choose this photo as a example post. So I will click on it and click on next at the top right corner. And over here I will click on next again. Now from this place you can schedule the post. At the bottom you can see the advanced setting option. Click on advanced setting. Now inside of advanced setting, the first option says schedule this post. Turn this on. Once you turn this on, at the bottom it's going to show you when you want this post to be uploaded. Now you can select the date. Now I'm going to upload this on Saturday 7th October, which is tomorrow, and around 4 a.m., which is going to be early in the morning. So after I set the date and set the time, I can click on set timer and basically done. Now I can go back and click on schedule at the top right corner. Now if you want to share it to Facebook as well, you can choose automatically, but I don't want to, so I will click on not now, and it's been scheduled. So after the scheduling process is complete, your post will be uploaded at the time you selected. So that is how you guys can schedule an Instagram post using your Instagram app. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.